Is StashAway a trading account? That's the question on everyone's mind. You've probably seen their slick ads and heard the buzz about simple investing. But for many of us, the line between an investment app and a trading platform is blurry. We're all conditioned to think of investing as something we do, not something that's done for us. So, when you see an app that says it will manage your money, a little alarm bell goes off. Is this a tool to help me trade, or is it something else entirely? Is it a way to buy and sell stocks on my own, or am I handing my money over to a black box? These are the questions that keep new investors up at night, and they're exactly what we're going to answer today. To get to the bottom of this, we need to first define our terms. What is a trading account? And what exactly is StashAway? A trading account is for active, hands-on investing. Think of it as your personal command center for the stock market. You log in, you research a company, you hit the buy button, and you own that specific stock or ETF. The decisions, from what to buy, to when to sell, to how much to invest, are all yours. This is what you see in movies, the frantic screens, the live charts, the trader yelling into a phone. It's a self-directed, do-it-yourself approach that requires you to be informed, engaged, and ready to react to market changes. Now, let's talk about StashAway. StashAway is not a trading account. It is a robo-advisor. This is a crucial distinction. A robo-advisor is an automated digital platform that uses algorithms to manage your investments for you. Instead of you choosing individual stocks, StashAway asks you a series of questions about your financial goals, your time horizon, and your risk tolerance. Based on your answers, its algorithm then builds a globally diversified portfolio for you, typically using low-cost exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. The key difference is control and a lack of active engagement. With StashAway, you don't pick specific stocks. You don't time the market. You don't decide when to rebalance your portfolio. The technology does all of that for you. It monitors the market 24/7 and, using its proprietary economic regime-based asset allocation or ERAA framework, it automatically rebalances your portfolio to keep it aligned with your stated risk level. This is a passive, hands-off approach to investing. You put your money in, and StashAway handles the rest. This is a powerful concept, especially for new or busy investors. It automates the disciplined, long-term approach that many struggle to maintain on their own. It takes the emotion out of investing, preventing you from making knee-jerk decisions during market downturns. You're not looking at live charts and getting tempted to sell off a falling stock. You're simply trusting the algorithm to stay the course. So, to summarize, a trading account gives you the tools to be a pilot. StashAway is the autopilot. One is about active decision-making and constant engagement, while the other is about setting a course and letting the technology steer you to your destination. StashAway is not for the person who wants to pick the next big tech stock, but for the one who wants their money to work for them in the background, quietly and efficiently. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.